Hello trader, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to resolve the issue of authorization failed. Anytime you're trying to log in your Assexmarkets broker account to MT5. So if you're trying to log in your Assexmarkets to your MT5 and it's writing authorization failed, then we are going to resolve this issue on this particular video. So most times it's because of login ID. If your login ID is wrong, it will not connect. You understand? If your password is wrong, it will not connect. And then lastly, if the server is wrong, it will not connect. So make sure your login ID, your password, and then your server, they are all correct. So in this video, I will show you how to get it correctly and also log into the account correctly. You understand? First of all, go to your website. To the website, click on this particular box. Once you click on this place, then it takes you to this particular interface. Do you understand? You should be used to this particular place, the equity, your leverage. So everything is here, but the major thing we need to do here, which is the first thing, is the password. You need to change it and put a new one. Do you understand? The one that you can easily remember. Alright guys, in case you have not done it, you can still do it again. Just put the password that is up to 8 characters. You understand? You should have an uppercase, you should have also a lowercase, a special character, and also a symbol. They are expected to repeat the password again. Do you understand? Once you repeat it, then to show that you've confirmed the password, just to confirm the password. And once you are done, go ahead and hit on that change password. Once you hit on change password, then the password will be created. Next thing is to copy this login ID. If you copy the login ID, then the next step you need to do after copying the login ID is to go back to your metadata 5. You understand? You should know how to do this 3-line manage account, and then click on the plus button and then go to search menu. So I just want to do it for those who have forgotten or those who have not tried connecting their account before. But this is for those that have no issue of authorization failed. Go ahead and search the name of your broker, and after searching for the name of the broker, hit on it, and then to take this particular interface. On this particular interface now, you are going to paste that login ID that you've copied from the website, and then input the password that you've created. Make sure that the password is correct. Any wrong issue, then you'll be facing authorization failed again. You understand? And then Assexmarkets doesn't have much server, so just go and choose the correct server and hit on login, and then you'll be connected to the MT5 account smoothly. Do you understand? You can see we have connected to the 5k account. We have connected the 5k account to this to the MT5, so you can actually navigate through it, and then you understand, start trading on it. But by the way, I still have a Telegram community where I drop my free signal, and in this particular community we trade currency pairs and also synthetic indices, and as well as indices. Do you understand? And the broker we are using here is a derivative broker, because it's the broker that supports synthetic indices very well. So sign up with derivative broker in the description of this particular video, and then join us. Let us print this money together. If this video was helpful and I've learned how to resolve the issue of authorization failed, please remember to do us just one favor by liking this video and also subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.